Hey Linux fam, I'm back. This is Michael. If you've got an old computer sitting in the corner that can barely run Windows, don't throw it out just yet. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 lightweight Linux distros for old PCs in 2025. 3 systems that will bring your old computer back to life. Let's dive in. First up is Lubuntu. This distro is all about speed and simplicity. It uses the LXQT desktop, which is a lightweight desktop, but still looks clean and modern at the same time. Because it's built on Ubuntu, you get the same access to all the software and driver support, but without the heavy load that slows the system down a little bit. You can even run Lubuntu smoothly on as little as 1 gig of RAM, and it boots up in seconds. It's perfect for basic tasks like browsing, streaming, writing documents, or even running lightweight office software. So if you want something fast, reliable, and familiar, Lubuntu is your best friend. Up next is Linux Lite. This one is perfect for Windows users who are making the switch from Windows to Linux. It uses the XFCE desktop, which is super lightweight as well, but also feels comfortable and familiar. One thing I love about Linux Lite is that it is designed for everyday use. It comes preloaded with everything you need, from Firefox to LibreOffice media players and a custom Lite software tool that lets you easily install extra apps like Chrome, OBS, or Steam. It's based on Ubuntu long-term support, which means it's rock solid, stable, and it gets the long-term support that you're going to need. If you're new to Linux and want something that just works out of the box, go with Linux Lite. It's going to be perfect for you. And finally, MX Linux. MX Linux is known for being lightweight yet still powerful. It's based off of Debian, which means it's built for stability, but the MX team added lots of friendly tools to make it easy to manage your system. It uses the XFCE as well desktop environment by default. The performance is incredible. You can run it smoothly on systems with just as little 2 gigs of RAM. 2 gigs of RAM. What makes MX stand out from the others is that it has built-in utilities like MX Tools and MX Snapshot, which lets you back up your system, tweak settings, or even create your own bootable ISO image of your setup. If you want a distro that's light but still gives you total control, MX Linux is the way you should go. Listen, you have got to understand that there are so many distros out there. These are just the top 3. Just look at the difference. These systems take computers that can barely open Chrome on Windows and make them feel brand new. These 3 here. There's many others, but these are the 3 that I'm recommending for you. They're taking something that was going to be in the wasteland and making it have life again. Y'all see, I'm getting better at my little raps, I guess. But look, that's the magic of Linux, though. It keeps your hardware, whether it's old or new, useful for years to come. So that's it. Lubuntu, Linux Lite, and MX Linux, the top 3 lightweight Linux distros for old PCs in 2025. If you're already using one of these, let me know in the comments which is your favorite and why. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more Linux content, and share this video with someone that's still stuck on a slow Windows laptop. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael, the Linux Preacher, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay free, stay open source, and keep it penguin. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.